Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Quadratic Equations. Hello friends, may I request you to please click on the subscribe button below this video. The given question is find the discriminant of the quadratic equation 2x to the power 2 minus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0 and hence find the nature of its root. So guys, this is again a very straightforward and very simple and easy question. Just let me note down the question here. It is given that 2x to the power 2 minus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0. And the question asked us to find out the nature of its root. Nature of its root means we need to decide, after finding out the discriminant, we need to decide whether this particular quadratic equation is having any real roots or not, or if two equal roots or at all no roots. That is what is called as the nature of the roots. Now how to find out the nature of the roots or how to find out the discriminant, let us move ahead and see. Now guys, if you look here, the given equation is 2x to the power 2 minus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0. This is of the form, this equation is of the form, this equation is of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We very well know that this is a quadratic equation. This is of the form ax to the power 2 plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now let us find out the discriminant. Discriminant is nothing but, it is given by discriminant, discriminant. Discriminant is given by b square minus 4ac. Guys, I am repeating the spelling because it is actually advisable just not to make any spelling mistakes. We are not fools. We are reading. We are doing something. We know very well how to write correct spellings. So it will give a good impression if you write correct spellings instead of writing incorrect spellings or wrong spellings. So discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac is denoted by b square minus 4ac. So here guys, we are going to find out b square minus 4ac. So unlike other quadratic equations, similarly we are going to find out b square minus 4ac. Now looking at this equation, 2x to the power 2 minus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0, and this is of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So you could see that it is here a value is 2, a is equal to 2, bx, here b value is minus 4, and c is a constant, c here is equal to is 3. Now let us put these values in here. B square minus 4ac, that is equal to minus 4 to the power 2 minus 4 into a into c, or b square minus 4ac is equal to minus 4 square is 16 minus 4 to the 8, 3 is 24, that is equal to minus 8. So guys, we got the discriminant. I am just writing discriminant as d is equal to b square minus 4ac is equal to minus 8, or in other words I can say that b square minus 4ac, in other words I can write that b square minus 4ac is less than 0 because minus 8 is less than 0. So guys, we very well know that if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, there are three conditions. Just in order to explain you, just I am writing it down. B square minus 4ac is equal to 0 and b square minus 4ac is less than 0. Okay, if b square minus 4, if these are all if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then we will have two different roots of x, two different values of x, I can say two different values of x. Here if it is equal, then we will get same values of x, and if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then no real roots exists. Sorry, no real, this is L, no real roots exists. Guys, this is very important thing. For solving any type of quadratic equation, if you see that, it is always advisable to first of all find what is b square minus 4ac. If you see that b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, is equal to 0, then move ahead. If you see that b square minus 4ac is less than 0, don't waste time and tell that this quadratic equation is not having any real roots. So here in this case we got b square minus 4ac is equal to minus 8. So it falls in this category where we do not have any real roots. So we can say that b square minus 4ac, therefore the given equation has, therefore the given equation has no real roots. Hope guys you understood this calculation or this process. This is very simple and very straightforward. Guys, you could see that my videos are little bit lengthy. I am not in a mood or not in a hurry to prepare as much as videos and move ahead, YouTube videos and move ahead. My always motto, I always keep myself in your place and see that how I am trying to understand. If someone is explaining me, how I am trying to understand. I am always keeping myself in your position and I am thinking in that way and I am explaining. For that reason, my videos are always little bit lengthy. I am not hurry in a commercial way or in a mood to prepare thousands and thousands of videos and move ahead. You will see that my videos are taking time to prepare and I am very slow in this process because I always try to explain things clearly and in a very simple way so that people can understand. If I am there in your place, then I can understand. For that reason, you would see that my videos are little bit lengthy. Guys, I believe you understood this. But still, if you have any questions or doubts, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. I will be more happy to explain you again and again. And guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe. If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.